They'll go up to even 800 kilometers per hour. Hey, bullet trains yao. Nyoko thie mubala na like 40 kana 30.
Ewa gane atengera muno.
Liwa igira itogia tere. This is an improvement from the old lunatic and it can achieve amazing speeds of up to 120 kilometers. Odoria on ye ba kana na mugithi ucio witu. No koni aona nyamu safu. Okay, tugeka atia tume that round.
Nitoko batara gutajukia makinya for one.
Yes.
We have to completely fight with corruption. Tondu kiu ni kindu kimwe tucokagia na thutha.
Muno. Ipio. Actually, I understand most of our money is not even here. Either ciana yo igatwaro offshore. The offshore accounts.
Iwa go turenda kuma third world. Kiu ni kindu kimwe tubatie ku deal nakio. Thina ungi naguo ni kupigana na umaskini.
Yes.
Poverty.
Yes. And you know, these are the only challenges. They were the same things when at independence. Ilikuwa ugonjwa, magonjwa, umaskini na ujinga.
Ha ujinga reke tuge ni tutacoketie makinya. Au ni tugeretie.
Yes. No do no ko to ya bese cia muingi corruption ucio no ujinga. Dikano anyita. How does several billions just disappear kama hakuna ujinga? We still have our original
challenges.
Yes. Because I got to in Singapore pale. Singapore and Taiwan, they are considered first world country. Yes.
Na iwa go de twari at par with Singapore.
And the likes of Taiwan.
Riu muthiri ona tutige kuhaniriria tiga kuonana.
Ona matige tutikiria tuciare ku ningi muno.
Tutige ko tutare third world.
Yes.
Agiko handu ha guthondeka mawira guku bururi-ini turethera andu mawira mabũrũri ma nanja. We can't. Forget it.
That again makes sense. Tutiri first world on hani.
No.
Ona twari innovate kiaro kia ndege.
Tiga first no abata muno.
Okay, tutiri second. Reke to gedia. Ona kahua na macani gati twarite ku.
Tutingiuma third world agiko nginya umuthi. Handu ha we processera indo citu guku tutumaga nja cithiga processerwo nja.
Yoka je finish.
Yes.
Tungiotoborire maguta ma taro ri. Omekire atia.
That was a hogwash deal.
Magamera ngamia wani. It was a hogwash. It was a mumbo jam.
We got the short end of the stick.
It was a house of cards. It was a fiasco of so melodrama.
Tutingima level-ini ya mabũrũri mokia. Agikorwo nginya indo tungithondekera ta toothpick no tugirire China. We can't.
Ona ifiriti jigua no tugirire.
Nginya tissue. Diapers cia ciana tukagira China.
It's unfortunate that ona mikinye tutithondekaga.
We can't. Na rĩu icio nĩcio indo iria ingĩ create mawĩra, andũ aingĩ mone mawĩra, tuthondeke ũtonga.
Turuge. Twambe tunine mathirĩ. So we are still that about. Ai.
Gwaka SGR kuma Mombatha gũka Nairobi.
Yes.
Na gũthiĩ interior rĩ. Nĩ twabatie kwĩyũria atĩrĩrĩ. SGR yakua mĩrigo kuma port ya Mombatha tondũ nĩyo mĩrigo ĩrĩa ĩyo nĩ mĩrigo ĩkiumĩte nja rĩ.
Yes.
Ĩgĩikũrũka kĩanda nĩkĩ twaraga gĩa gũthiĩ nja.
Gũtirĩ.
You see?
Andũ.
You see?
Na twaraga andũ wa kũu maka grow the local economy.
Tondũ mũbatie mũkĩgũra rĩ na inyuĩ gĩkũrĩa mũrendia.
What are we trading?
Yes.
Now I get your point. Esto es saba.
Tutire sawa.
Tokiuga atia.
Tutire sawa no rĩu rĩ. We should challenge ourselves.
Ira atuĩka rĩu mũnene wa AU tũhote kwarahũka.
Ndirona.
No, we are not supposed to be that wild, especially Kenya.
60 years of independence.
East Africa no tũbatie gũkorwo at least twambatĩire second world okorwo nĩ kũrĩ second.
No menya rĩu atĩ nĩ ithuĩ the big boys of East Africa.
And the other ones are in ICU. Because we have perennial problems Tau no tudira no horo wa flooding. Tudira no horo wa famine. It's unfortunate. 60 years down. Now turame ne go kuuma.
Yes.
I think the beauty is we can start now.
If we want.
We can start now at building our own Singapore. Yes.
No, that we're primary number 1. Fight corruption.
Yes. And the systems work.
Yes.
I want to go to Africa. We see one big basket of poverty.
We are that world tondu wa riri.
Yes.
Angikorwo mundu ni aku apply passport bururi uyu. Uguthe mwaka no tambirire wa keri. Utari wagia passport. Passport.
Yeah. We are that world.
Maundu very basic.
Ona me brere o that world.
Yes. Ikire Kenya.
Ona muthaiga na runda.
Iyo that world.
Ona gitathuru.
Ona kio.
Ngaigoma. No, we can start today. Not to get by this. You know, there's a time we had crafted a very beautiful vision. I don't know whether we achieved the whole of it or how many headways we've made. Nyamuyata got the vision 2030.
We're still on course.
Have we achieved a lot towards...
how do you go to come here, Magithi?
I know some of the crafters like Mitang and Demo. And there were some big minds, and I think even Modo Mara Kiabu. Nyoro.
Nyoro.
He was part of that think tank. Yes.
No ruthina wa bururi uyu tukona guo riri. Ni kwaga consistency ya maundu. Andu acio othe wa gweta ri. They are out of the system.
Yes. We like loud people. We like very loud people.
Nado dramatic.
Melodramatic. We like the Mike Sonkos of this country. Yes.
Na watu wa uongo.
Watu wa uongo na watu wa masuluhisho za hapo za haraka ambazo sio za
kudumu.
Yeah. You see, and I don't know. Sio wekata to fatara tukinye hando. Uria muciari uga atiriri. Uria vavanywa giuka for example mwiri atiriri. Riu guku tutirire ya mugate turinyua cai uguo tondu in the next 10 years ndenda tukinya ndone muko mumena muno
ni muko mumena
riu ile ithu acio tariu president Ruto agiuka ture ndo mwaka tunyitie kamba. Yes,
ni augite oguo tariu gatheti omuthiri. I think it was Daily Nation. Ni ukuririkana sometimes last year the president augite thirikari ni gukata expenditure ya mbeca iria irahuthika kumagara thabari. Ni augite oguo late last year.
Yetsaidi na gukiano kia directives ciana tukiario horo ucio
gatheti omuthiri auga atiriri they actually doubled
instead of cutting down.
Yes. So you see.
No, if systems don't work, we will not go anywhere.
Thiamba ikinya rimwe mbere ugacoka mere thutha.
Yes. Na katika tu hapa Zadboud. What about it?
Hivyo ndivyo kuko. And that is a bitter truth.
I have it.
Either iko bila 46.